let me open it. Okay, let's see what is inside it. Alright, this is an army person. Put this over here. Wow, amazing. Let me open another one. Wow, this is really amazing. There are some more things. Let me open all of the things inside this. Wow. So cute. Excellent. So these are the weapons they will use for the fight. Let's put the weapons here. Wow, amazing. This is also another weapon that they will use for the fight. Nice. Look at this, guys. This is another weapon. Wow, so nice. You can buy it from the market anywhere. Really interesting. This is not very expensive. You can easily buy it from any market. So it can even do this and like this. It can do with both arms like this, and it can, wow, amazing. So this can be used for this purpose. So I think that's it. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.